Meaning of immigration.
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 Immigration. Immigration refers to the process of moving into a new country for the purpose of permanently residing there. People who immigrate are known as immigrants. Immigration can occur due to various reasons, such as work, education, family reunification, or seeking asylum. Immigration has a significant impact on both the source and destination countries. It can result in cultural exchange, economic growth, and diversity. However, it can also lead to challenges such as cultural clashes, social inequality, and political tensions. Overall, immigration is a complex and multifaceted phenomenon that shapes the global community.